In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable autofill in private windows on Brave browser. If you use private windows to keep your browsing discreet, turning off autofill there is a smart way to prevent saved details like addresses or passwords from appearing when you don't want them to. Autofill can be helpful in regular browsing, but in a private session, it can feel out of place. Let's walk through the setting that controls this so you can browse more confidently. First, open your Brave browser. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the familiar Brave window with the address bar at the top. If your browser looks a little different, don't worry. Designs can vary slightly by platform, but the steps are the same. Now, look to the top right corner of the window for the main menu. It looks like three horizontal lines, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Click that to open Brave's menu. This is where most of your browser settings live. From this menu, click on Settings. That will open a new tab or page with all of Brave's preferences. If your window is narrow, some items might be grouped, but settings should still be visible in the list. Once you're on the settings page, focus on the options listed on the left side. Next, click on Autofill and Passwords. This section manages how Brave stores and fills things like passwords, payment methods, and addresses. We're heading here specifically to change how those features behave in private windows. Inside this section, find the option labeled Allow Autofill in Private Windows. You'll see a toggle switch next to it. Click the toggle to turn it off. When it's disabled, Brave won't suggest or automatically fill saved information while you're in a private window. This change takes effect immediately and doesn't require a restart. A quick note for clarity. Disabling this option does not delete any of your saved passwords, addresses, or payment methods. They remain available for regular browsing. You're simply stopping Brave from offering them in private windows. If you ever decide you want autofill back in private mode, you can return to this same setting and switch it on again. That's it. You've adjusted a single, focused setting to make private browsing truly feel private. Close the Settings tab if you like. Your choice is already saved. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra peace of mind while you browse.